Massive trucks begin to move. See how expert drivers drive oversized trucks through deep muck, rocky roads, and difficult climbs on dangerous highways. You must show your bravery, strength, and intelligence at every turn. Take a look at this amazing ride. These truckers drive huge trucks on the hardest roads. They face deep mud, steep hills, and bad weather. Every move needs skill and focus. One mistake can be dangerous, but they keep going. Watch them handle these tough roads like true experts. Trucking under the bridge. First, a big truck gets close to a short bridge and almost goes under it. The driver moves ahead cautiously, leaving only a small gap. It's tense every second, but the vehicle drives safely. It genuinely shows the trucker's skill. Trucking on the edge. In another, a huge, oversized truck drives on the edge of a cracked, broken mountain road and moves ahead gently. It can fall if you make a bad turn. The driver handles the risk with skill and care. Trucks clash during turns. Two trucks crashed while turning. This route is usually one way, making crashes rare. Still, one truck may be on the wrong side. On the small road, there are no mistakes. This might be deadly. Truck crosses river. Next, see how fast a big oversized truck goes down a dusty road toward a deep river. Without stopping, it splashes through the water and crosses. That was crazy. It could have gone wrong with one mistake. Truck slips on a wet road. After heavy rain, a truck lost control on the slippery road. As it crashed, another automobile arrived, narrowly avoiding it. It was way too close. Trucks slip a lot on this highway, a driver's nightmare. Truck crosses flood. There's a big problem. The road is flooded. A skilled truck driver carefully drives a huge trailer under a low bridge. Despite the water nearly reaching the truck's wheels, the driver continues to drive at full speed. The next video will surprise you even more. Like and subscribe now before experiencing the most shocking moments ahead. Truck on snowy road. A huge vehicle carefully goes over a deep, snowed road. This is a really difficult task that only experienced drivers can complete. A truck with a huge excavator moves forward. One error might be disastrous. Dangerous turn ahead. Look at this one, as it makes a risky, quick turn, even though another car is already stopped there. Should one error be made, it may be disastrous. A truck on a damaged road. Next, a huge vehicle travels slowly along a fractured mountain road. Every bump and crack increases the danger. This road is a huge difficulty for heavy trucks. With only one error, everything might go wrong. Truck stuck in the mud. On the way, A large vehicle becomes stuck in mud. For truckers, the road is a headache. People try to release it by pushing and pulling with ropes and sheer willpower. Every moment is difficult. Brave truckers river crossing. True extreme trucking. This driver is truly worthy of praise. He bravely crosses a swift-moving river in a truck that is heavily loaded. It might all go wrong with just one mistake. He gets to the other side with talent and effort. Narrow mountain road. Meanwhile, this truck driver crosses a narrow mountain route with a sharp decline on the side. A single mistake could result in a fatal fall. Parts of the mountain extend over the road, which worsens the situation. This is extreme trucking at its most terrifying. Mountain road madness. Hold on tight. A massive truck carrying an unbelievably oversized load rumbles down a treacherous mountain pass, twisting roads, sharp turns, and sheer drops. This beast tackles it all. One wrong move, and it's a disaster. But the driver was cool as ever. The train hauler. Here comes the real-life superhero. A giant truck hauls an entire train like it's no big deal. Twisting roads, tight spots, just another day at work. The driver is calm and confident and proves that no load is too big. Total traffic takeover. Total traffic chaos. An oversized truck takes over the entire road, bringing everything to a standstill. Horns blare, cars pile up, but the truck is unbothered. Traffic police step in, clearing the way like VIP security. The beast rolls on. Muddy Road Challenge. Mud, rain, and a serious challenge. An overloaded logging truck pushes through a slippery, soaked road. It tilts, wobbles, and bounces like a roller coaster. Yet, the driver stays calm, steering smoothly as if it's just another Sunday drive. Overloaded and unstoppable. Heads turn, jaws drop. A massive truck, overloaded beyond belief, moves through a busy public area. Cars squeeze aside. People stare in disbelief. Yet, the driver cruises through effortlessly, making it look like another routine delivery.
Obviously, traffic lights are normally a little bit lower when it gets closer to the pole that's actually in the ground. And that's why they most likely do this. I'm not a heavy hauler, so I really don't know, but common sense kind of tells you that. But he also does that because he might actually hit even the traffic lights at the end. So that's why they did that maneuver, I would assume.
The heavyweight escort. Maximum load, maximum caution. A truck overloaded beyond limits moves inch by inch. The driver stays focused, handling every turn with precision. Security escorts lead the way, ensuring a smooth path. 3,000-kilogram warrior. A beast on wheels. A truck loaded with a massive 3,000-kilogram weight crawls over a muddy, uneven road. It tilts and fights for grip, yet the driver stays cool, steering through the mess like a true road warrior. The Mud Monster. A mountain of mud on wheels. An extremely oversized truck, fully loaded with heavy mud, rumbles down a slippery dirt road. Tires sink and the truck sways, but the driver, steady hands, sharp focus, powering through like a true mud master.
There's no way to survive in the city, it's a shame. Niggas die from a hollow point, bullet to the brain. Will I survive or will I die is what I wonder.
Logging truck adventure. A true test of skill. A truck driver hauls a massive load of heavy logs over a dangerously uneven, muddy road. The truck sways. The tires fight for grip, but the driver stays fearless, navigating through like a master of the wild. The ultimate sharp turn. Heart-stopping moment. A heavily loaded truck approaches a dangerously sharp turn. One wrong move, and it's a disaster. The truck leans, and the weight shifts, but the driver, calm and focused, steers through like a true road legend. The Beast's Journey. A monster on the move. An oversized truck rumbles through an insanely challenging road. Steep drops, rough terrain. Nothing shakes the driver. Cool as ever, he steers smoothly, making the impossible look effortless. Conquering the mountain. A true mountain challenge. A heavily loaded truck crawls up a steep, unpaved road. Loose gravel, sharp drops. One slip could be trouble, but the driver, steady hands, unshaken focus, guiding the beast like a smooth highway ride. Speed and power combo. Speed meets power. A massive, oversized truck, heavily loaded, thunders down the road. Every bump, every turn, pure adrenaline. The weight shifts, the tires grip, but the driver, unshaken, in control, pushing through like a highway legend. Ready for the road. A beast, ready to roll. A massive truck, loaded with heavy equipment, stands prepared for transport. The weight is immense, and the journey is tough. Focused and fearless driver, ready to take on any road ahead. Snowy Climb Challenge. A powerhouse in motion. A truck speeds uphill on a slippery, snow-covered road. Tires struggle for grip, and the snow flies everywhere. Yet it charges ahead effortlessly. Power, precision, and pure skill keep it steady on the treacherous climb. The Precision Driver. A giant on the move. An oversized truck stacked with heavy loads rumbles through a busy public route. Cars squeeze aside, and people watch in shock, yet it rolls on smoothly, turning a chaotic scene into a masterclass of precision driving. The ultimate load. Cat 797B. A true monster haul. A truck carries the massive Cat 797B, a giant among machines. With such an enormous load, every turn matters. The driver moves slowly and steadily, ensuring this beast reaches its destination without a hitch. The multi-lorry load. A true test of skill. A truck, overloaded with multiple lorries, approaches a dangerous turn. The weight shifts, the tires grip tight, but the driver stays steady, navigating the massive load precisely like a roadmaster. We hope you enjoyed this thrilling ride through extreme trucking challenges. From insane turns to impossible roads, these drivers make the impossible look easy. Which moment left you speechless? Tell us in the comments. Gear up, more heart-stopping trucking thrills are just around the corner. Hit like, smash that subscribe button, and get ready for the next epic adventure on the road.